Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be talking about Taigun GT dashboard noise. As you all are aware that in last video I mentioned that some of the dashboard panels have been replaced under warranty in order to fix that noise issue. So in this video we will be figuring out that noise has been gone or it still needs some fix. We will figure it out. Before moving to the video, I would like to request you guys that if you enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family as much as possible, that they can also enjoy these kind of informative video and also support me to come up with such content. So let's move to the video. Give you heads up. This is the panel that was replaced. It is replaced till now, so it's a single panel, and along with it this panel is also replaced, and it covers the wireless charger and this whole section. So when I cross the speed bump, it is having some noise, but very less than the previous version. I mean, before changing the parts. Let's see on the speed bump again. You can see there are some squeaky, creaky noises also still present, but way less than the previous version of these parts. So we can say that the noise is still there. I mean, it's a bit improved, but it persists. So in my opinion, I mean, we have to live with this noise, though it has been reduced, but I think we should start ignoring it and start driving slow on the bad roads. This is the only fix I could say, because in hot summer it starts creaking a lot. So that's the update on dashboard noise. I hope you guys get an idea, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much.